Hey everybody, welcome to Sokko's Tech Spot. This is what you know about, where I drop knowledge on technology and electronics. In this video, we're going to be talking all about HDMI. You're probably thinking, it's HDMI, what's there to know? Well, kick back and get comfy, because I'm about to tell you. HDMI was originally released in 2002 as a one-cable solution for both audio and video. This was in a world filled with yellow, red, and white composite cables. In 2002, there wasn't much access to HD content unless you were a baller and could afford the high-resolution goodness. HDMI 1.0 is capable of up to 1080p resolutions at 60 Hz or 60 frames a second, with data transfer rates of 4.95 gigabits per second. It's also able to provide audio for up to 8 channels for a full surround sound experience. This was huge, especially in 2002, and all through one cable. In 2005, we got our first update to this new technology, HDMI 1.1 and 1.2. This brought a new supported resolution of 1440p at 30 Hz, along with some audio updates for the new audio technologies that were emerging, specifically DVD audio and 1-bit audio. The data transfer speeds also did not change, sticking with the 4.95 gigabits per second. It's safe to say that 2009 was a major turning point for HDMI. At this time, it was starting to build traction as manufacturers were supporting it more and more in their products and people were seeing the benefit of a one-cable approach to their media centers. It was also the era of simplicity, with the original iPhone being released only 2 years prior, making everyone appreciate the ease of use with technology. HDMI 1.3 and 1.4 brought us support for the elusive 4K resolutions with upgraded audio support for Dolby True HD, DTS HD, and ARC, or Audio Return Channel, which sends the audio from your TV to a soundbar or receiver. The data transfer rate nearly doubled at a whopping 10.2 gigabits per second. This new version enabled computer enthusiasts to join the HDMI fun, supporting huge resolutions with a tiny cable. You no longer needed a bulky DVI cable or an outdated VGA to have nice crisp picture on your monitor. In 2013, HDMI 2.0 was released. It had capabilities of up to 5K video at 30 Hz, up to 32 channels of audio, HE, AAC, and DRA support, and a bigger transfer rate of up to 18 gigabits per second. HDMI 2.0 is also the first generation of HDMI that supports HDR. HDR was not built into TVs at this time, but preparations were already being made in anticipation for it. HDR started making its way into people's homes starting in 2014, so it made sense if you bought a new TV with HDR, you probably picked up a fancy new HDMI 2.0 cable with it. And now we made it to the most current version of HDMI 2.1, which was originally released in 2017. HDMI 2.1 supports resolutions of up to 8K at 30 Hz and even larger data transfer rates of 48 gigabits per second. That's insane. This version also gains support for tech like dynamic HDR and audio support for eARC or enhanced audio return channel. As you can see, HDMI has been around for a while and not all HDMI cables are alike. Next time you go looking to buy a new cable, make sure to see what resolutions need to be supported and what features, like HDR or otherwise, you would also like to have support for. Your old cable from 2005 probably will not show you the best picture on your new 4K TV. A good rule of thumb is if you're looking for 1080p output, then you're probably fine with any HDMI cable you pick up. But if you're looking for 4K support, make sure to get an HDMI 1.3 cable or newer. That doesn't mean go out and spend $100 on a freaking HDMI cable, that's just plain dumb. Do your research and grab a cable for under or around 20 bucks depending on the length of cable you need. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Thank you all for watching, and please hit that thumbs up button if you like this video, and make sure to subscribe to see more content like this in the future. Also, if you can leave a comment to let me know what you think about this What You Know About series, I would really appreciate it. You could also catch me at these other spots, including Twitch, where I stream random content not found on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.